Hey everyone, the time is nearly upon us for the launch and the pre-sale of the CARBO token. And if you're unfamiliar with the Clean Carbon project, it's basically a DeFi project which has real-world off-chain utility, and it is asset-backed by off-chain assets. And how it works is that they're going to take things like landfill and they're going to process it and they're going to turn it into renewable energy. And what you're seeing right now is an example of the processing plant in a 3D model of what it's going to look like when it's finished. This project is the real deal, and holding the token actually gives you a ton of utility in your wallet, including getting a passive income and BUSD reflections and all this other type of stuff. I've done a detailed vid on Clean Carbon, and also I've done a video doing an AMA with the CEO and the CTO if you want to find more about this project. So I'll leave a link for those in the description. In this video, I'm going to tell you the launch date, how to get onto the whitelist, and some of the major updates they've done recently. And also at the end of the vid, I'm going to do the 30,000 CARBO token giveaway. So make sure you stick around until the end so you can see that. On Twitter, Clean Carbon have announced that the pre-sale is scheduled for Sunday, the 17th of April at 1 p.m. UCT time. It'll last for 7 days or until they reach their hard cap of 60 million CARBO tokens. How you get on the whitelist is you basically just go to their website, click on join our whitelist. It'll take you to this page, and all you need to do is put in your full name, put in your Discord or your Telegram ID, put in your BEEP20 address, which is your Binance wallet address, and then just how much roughly you're thinking of investing. And click I fully accept, and then click submit, and then boom, you're on the whitelist. Some of the major and important updates with the project is that the contract has been deployed and it has been audited and it got a 10 out of 10 score. And currently a second audit is in motion with that contract. Because Clean Carbon does have multinational roots and they want the best for their investors as well, they've actually translated their page into a few other languages, including Spanish, Polish, and German, and more translations are in the pipeline. Okay, let's do the giveaway of 30,000 CARBO tokens. And basically, to go into the draw of the giveaway for the first video that I did, all you had to do was comment CARBO in the comments, and we've got 388 comments. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to commentpicker.com, and that's going to randomly pick a comment, and we're just going to see who that is. With Comment Picker, I'm going to filter out duplicate users, so everybody only gets one entry. I'm going to include replies, and I'm going to filter the specific word CARBO. You can see we've got a total of 307 comments, and let's see who the winner is. All right, congratulations, Vegetarian Pig. Really cool name. You are the winner of 30,000 CARBO tokens, so total congratulations to you. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to reply to you, and you're going to have a little bit of time to get back to me. For everybody else that's watching, if Vegetarian Pig doesn't get in contact with me within a couple of days, then I'm going to draw another winner, and I'm just going to keep drawing winners basically until somebody gets in contact with me on Twitter. I am really excited about the Clean Carbon project because it is one of the very, very few projects in all of crypto that actually has real world off-chain assets. If you want to know more about Clean Carbon, then just check out the other videos I did, which is the AMA and the first one where I really deep dived into exactly what Clean Carbon is all about. And I'd love to know what you think about Clean Carbon. Are you going to get on the whitelist? You know, what do you think about the combination of the off-chain and the on-chain things that they're going to be doing? So much potential, I think, with this project. Would love to know. Please leave a comment. And until next time, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.